Hello friends, this is CRT tube yoke. The set is shorted when the power is on, then when oscillation occurs the set will goes to the protection mode. Okay, in this coil we remove the wires from the coil very smoothly and separated it each one. All the wires are separated and keep the wires are not to be get shorted. When the sleeve is necessary, we can put the sleeve, and where is the wire or only it is shorted, it wire is to be separated like this very carefully, and these wires are where is cutted in the coil, the wires is to be joined and put a sleeve for these wires. See this, like this we can do a coil to be right. Okay, and in this coil the horizontal section coil is shorted what we shown in the picture. When the set is get to be on, the oscillation, high frequency oscillation voltage is get to be shorted to the ground, then the set is go to the protection mode. Now we can separate it like this wires and put a silicone gel or silicone paste. Okay, this paste is very useful to high voltage. Electrical voltage is not to be get shorted. In the EST section we also use this type of silicone gel. We can't get the shorting and sparking anything. We can put a sufficient gel like this, and we think of the wires are not to be get one and together. Okay, in this inside this coil the silicone gel is filled like this, then it to be get very good insulated. Okay, where is the short of wire is to be seen, we can separate the wires and put a silicone paste like this and get to be dry for a 4 to 5 hours. Then we can put a yoke in the heat or in the sunlight area, it is get to be dry. Then we are using this yoke in the TVs. This type of work is very good for yoke shorted and coil shorted, any purpose we can use like this type of silicon gel. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you once again. Please subscribe my channel and see the videos of like this coils and electrical and electronics problems. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.